Welcome back. This Nissan was rear-ended badly. The impact beam flew right off. Standard procedure. Let's mount it on the frame rack first. The purpose of the hydraulic pull is to release the stress in the metal. Checking the door gaps for alignment. Pulling the center section. This green Nissan paint is actually quite nice. Applying more tension to the rear structure. Releasing the tension. The deformation here is beyond repair limits. It's better to cut and replace it. Removing the trunk lid. This rear crash beam is quite thin compared to older models. Newer cars are designed differently for crumple zones. Marking the cut lines for the replacement panel. Removing the damaged metal with a hammer. Since the rear body panel needs replacing, we are using a surplus part for the replacement. We need to treat the rust on the donor part first. Preparing the rear valence area. Measuring the data to match factory specs. Watch the restoration process. We will handle this perfectly. Restoring it to brand new condition. Skipping the boring parts, let's get to the welding. Welding the joints securely. This lower section is being replaced separately. Looking fresh and clean. Grinding down the welds, fireworks time. Trimming the excess metal. Analyzing the fitment. test fitting. Adjusting the trunk lid alignment. A few more spot welds to secure it. Mounting the trunk lid. No big problems here. Applying body filler, putty. Masking the car for painting. The bodywork looks smooth overall, especially inside these welded sections. Perfect delivery condition. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the work, please like and subscribe to AutoRevive.